Hi everyone, right here, right now, we are using our ball mill
Okay.
type machine which uses waste glass for the recycling process. As you can see, after the waste glass is loaded and sealed, the operation looks like this, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to grind it thoroughly. And while waiting, let me explain to you what is the grinding process of recycling machine. In this ball mill type of recycling machine, there are two main mediums and one main function. The main function is the rotation, and the two mediums is the materials, which is the waste glass, and the second is the grinding medium, which is normally balls. So the balls at the bottom builds up a certain height and falls down to the waste glass, which produces impact energy, and those impact energy collides with each other in order the materials to be powderized. It takes about thousands of revolutions to make the materials grinded. We are using waste glass, which can be found anywhere at your home and at your backyard. As I said earlier, grinding medium is normally balls, but for us, instead of balls, we use self-pipes. Self-pipes has a cylindrical form of metal that produces much more impact energy than balls. After waiting of about 10 to 15 minutes of grinding, let's take a look and let's see what's inside the chamber of the recycling machine. As you can see, it's kinda smoking, so please wear goggles or mask to refrain from inhaling it. Be careful in doing this kind of process. This is now the final output of the machine. After taking all the waste glass, we used sieve in order to segregate into three different measurements. And the segregated waste glass looks like this. The three measurements are the 10 mm sieve, the 5 mm sieve, and the 1.175 mm sieve. Those waste glass which cannot pass through the 10 mm sieve is considered as rework. All of the waste glass which was produced and sieved are applied to this kind of applications. Waste glass that passes through the 10 mm sieve is considered as glass architect mortar. Examples are architectural tile and architectural tabletop. This kind of application is used as an aesthetic in the kitchen or even as a floor tile. Waste glass that passes through the 5 mm sieve are considered glass concrete blocks. Examples are paving blocks and partition wall blocks. This kind of application is used in constructions like landscaping and wall building. Lastly, the waste glass that passes through the 1.175 mm sieve are applied to glass SCC. Such examples are high fluidity of GSCC and concrete slab. These applications are applied in constructions that uses waste glass as an aggregate. These applications are based on the journal Management and Recycling of Waste Glass in Concrete Products, Current Situations in Hong Kong. A research study by Tung Chai Ling, Chi Sun Pun, and Hao Wing Wong. And that would be all. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you learned a lot from me. And once again, I am Tonyo, and this is my experience 1.1. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next video.